Page 90, Prelude number 24. This is in the key of E flat minor. 6 flats. You just flatten everything but an F. So be sure you can do the scale on E flat minor. It'll take us one hand at a time. Make sure we got the notes because of all the flats involved. We're here with E flat. Oh, by the way, it's common time or 4/4 time here. And then in D natural. And then it's C flat. Remember, it's in the key signature. And I'll come back to the little grace note. Just leave it out for now. 2. And that's tied for a couple half notes. And then here. Here. That's not too bad, I guess. In the second ending, it's a G natural is all it is. It's here. And then in the next measure, the next to last measure, then it goes to a G flat. The B flat's tied, so you just do the G flat. Here. That's all. So it's E here. In the left hand, you're down here, 1 and 2. Remember the C flats, it's in the key signature. And that's really all you're doing in the left hand. Till you get to the very last measure, there's an 8VA under it, so you go down. Instead of here, you go here. So it's... If you want to use thumb on that, it's fine. I mean, they're both black keys, so it doesn't matter. You can do that or that. It's up to you how you finger it. And you put them together. This should be interesting. It's here. Okay, now we add the dynamics and the little grace note. It's moderately soft. It's going to have to be to the right hand. This thing, this pulsing thing down here, you're going to have to make that really soft, about as soft as you can make it, because this needs to be moderately soft. And then the grace note, it's a D natural. This got a little natural sign in front of it. It's a real quick note, or some people play them together. Usually not. Usually if you're going to play them together, it's the notes next to it. It's within an interval of a second. Well, this is an interval of a third. So it's just a quick note. Some people play it on the beat. Some people play it before the beat. I'm going to tell you one way or the other. I do it on the beat. It's the way I was taught. So the grace note will come with the left hand. Like so. So it's here. And in the left hand, you've got tenuto, just hang on to them, and staccato. That's light wrist staccato. The tenuto, you're going to hang on. But keep it really super soft. Here you got to you come up a little, and the left hand can help you here. The left hand's up to this, and then come back down. So the left hand will help you do that because you can't do a lot in the right hand. Once you play a note, you're done. So again, at the beginning, you're how soft can you play that? If you have to, go ahead and use the soft pedal, but try and do it with the hands. How soft can you play that? Because we want to hear this all the time you're doing whatever you're doing in the left hand. We want to hear that throughout. So, something. Moderato's a in-between speed. It's not fast or slow. It's just whatever. It's in the middle somewhere. You'll decide what that is for you.